Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Master English Channel, where speaking English feels natural. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Kevin. Hi, everyone. Sarah, I need to tell you about something awkward that happened to me yesterday.
Oh no, what happened, Kevin?
Well, I was in the elevator at work with 3 other people, and it was completely silent. Nobody was talking.
Ah, the awkward elevator silence.
Yes, and I felt so uncomfortable. I wanted to say something, but I didn't know what to say. So I just stared at my shoes for 5 floors.
Oh, Kevin, that happens to everyone. The silent elevator. It's so awkward.
Right? And then, when I finally got out, I realized I could have just said, "Nice weather today," or something simple.
Exactly. And you know what's funny? I have this weird habit. When I'm in awkward silent situations, I start humming.
Humming? Really?
Yes. Last week, I was waiting in line at the coffee shop. Nobody was talking, and I started humming a song without realizing, and everyone looked at me.
That's so funny. What did you do?
I just smiled awkwardly and pretended it was normal.
We both have the same problem. We don't know how to start conversations.
Exactly. And you know what? This is perfect because starting conversations is something many English learners find difficult.
Oh, that's true. I always worry about what to say first.
Well, that's exactly what we're learning today. How to start conversations naturally and confidently in English.
Perfect timing. I really need this for those elevator moments.
Yes, no more staring at shoes or awkward humming. After today, you'll know exactly what to say.
Let's learn this.
But first, we have a small favor to ask our wonderful listeners.
Yes, if you're enjoying Master English Channel and learning with us, please subscribe.
And don't forget to click the like button. It really helps us continue making these episodes for you.
And if you know someone who's learning English or someone who also stares at their shoes in elevators, share this episode.
Yes, help your friends learn to start conversations too. Thank you so much for your support. We love hearing from you. Now, Kevin, let's learn how to break that awkward silence.
Okay, Sarah. So when I'm in an elevator or waiting in line, what can I say to start a conversation?
Great question. The easiest way to start a conversation is to talk about something you both can see or experience, like the weather.
Ah, so nice weather today.
Exactly. Or you can say, beautiful day, isn't it? The isn't it at the end invites the other person to respond.
Beautiful day, isn't it? Oh, that's friendly.
It is. You can also say, lovely weather we're having. Or, it's really cold today, huh?
Lovely weather we're having. It's really cold today, huh?
Perfect. Now, what if you're somewhere specific, like in a coffee shop?
What could I say?
You can comment on what you both are doing, like, the line is long today, or this place is always busy.
The line is long today. This place is always busy.
Great. Or you can ask, have you been here before? Or do you come here often?
Have you been here before? Do you come here often?
Wonderful. Now, here's an important tip. After you start, you need to keep it going. So you can follow up with, I love their coffee, or this is my first time here.
Ah, so I start and then I add more information.
Exactly. Let me show you. Beautiful day, isn't it? Then, I love the sunny weather. It makes me feel so happy.
Oh, that gives the other person something to respond to.
Exactly, Kevin. You're getting it. Now, what about in the elevator? What can you say?
Going up?
Well, yes, but that's obvious. Try something like long day or almost weekend.
Long day? Almost weekend. These are simple.
They are, and they work. Or you can say, how's your day going? This is friendly and natural.
How's your day going?
Perfect. Now, let's practice some other starters. If you're at work, you can say, "Did you have a good weekend?" Or, "Any plans for the weekend?"
Did you have a good weekend? Any plans for the weekend?
Great. If you're at an event like a party, you can say, "How do you know the host?" Or, "Are you having a good time?"
How do you know the host? Are you having a good time?
Excellent. And here's a universal one that works anywhere. "Hi, I'm Kevin. Nice to meet you."
Ah, just introduce myself.
Yes, it's simple but very effective. People appreciate when you're friendly and direct.
Hi, I'm Kevin. Nice to meet you. I like that.
Perfect. Now, let's practice a full conversation. I'll be a stranger in a coffee shop. You start.
The line is really long today.
I know, right? It's always packed on Monday mornings.
Yeah. Do you come here often?
Pretty much every day. Their cappuccino is amazing. Have you tried it?
Not yet. This is actually my first time here.
Perfect, Kevin. That sounded so natural. You started, you kept it going, and you responded naturally.
Thank you. I didn't think I could do that.
Now, let's learn specific starters for different situations.
Yes, I want to know what to say in different places.
Okay, let's start with meeting someone new at work or school. You can say, "Hi, are you new here?" Or, "I don't think we've met. I'm Sarah."
Hi, are you new here? I don't think we've met. I'm Kevin.
Perfect. You can also say, "What department are you in?" Or, "What class are you taking?"
What department are you in? What class are you taking?
Great. Now, at a social event like a wedding or birthday party, you can say, "How do you know the bride?" Or, "How do you know Sarah?"
How do you know the bride? How do you know Sarah?
Excellent. Or, "This is a beautiful venue, isn't it?" Or, "The food is delicious."
This is a beautiful venue, isn't it? The food is delicious.
Continuing, now let's talk about waiting situations like waiting for a bus or in a doctor's office. You can say, "Have you been waiting long?"
Have you been waiting long?
Yes. Or, "This is taking forever." Or, "I hope we don't have to wait much longer."
This is taking forever. I hope we don't have to wait much longer.
Good. Now, in a store or shopping situation, you can say, "Excuse me, do you know where the dairy section is?" Or, "Have you tried this product?"
Excuse me, do you know where the dairy section is? Have you tried this product?
Perfect. And here's something fun. If someone is wearing something interesting, you can give a compliment like, "I love your shoes," or "That's a nice bag."
Oh, compliments start conversations.
Aha, exactly. People love compliments. Just make sure it's genuine and appropriate.
I love your shoes. That's a nice bag.
Great. Now, what if you're stuck somewhere, like a delayed flight? You can say, "Is your flight delayed too?" Or, "I can't believe this delay."
Is your flight delayed too? I can't believe this delay.
Yes. Or, "Where are you headed?" This opens up a whole conversation.
Where are you headed?
Perfect. Now, here's an important phrase for when you want to join a group conversation. You can say, "Mind if I join you?" Or, "Can I join the conversation?"
Ah, asking permission to join.
Exactly. It's polite and friendly. Or you can say, "What are you all talking about?" with a smile.
Mind if I join you? Can I join the conversation? What are you all talking about?
Wonderful. Now, let me teach you some conversation starters for different topics. If you want to talk about sports, you can say, "Did you catch the game last night?"
Did you catch the game last night?
If you want to talk about movies, "Have you seen any good movies lately?"
Have you seen any good movies lately?
If you want to talk about food, "Do you know any good restaurants around here?"
Do you know any good restaurants around here?
Perfect. Now, let's practice another conversation. I'll be at a bus stop. You start a conversation.
Have you been waiting long?
About 10 minutes. The bus is always late on Fridays.
Yeah. Where are you headed?
Just going downtown, shopping. You?
Same. Do you know any good stores there?
Oh, yes. There's a great bookstore on 5th Street.
Really? I love books.
Excellent, Kevin. That was such a natural conversation. You used the starter, you asked questions, and you kept it flowing.
I'm getting better at this.
Now, let's practice some complete sample sentences.
Yes, let's do it.
Repeat after me. Hi, how's it going?
Hi, how's it going?
Next, beautiful weather, isn't it?
Beautiful weather, isn't it?
I love your jacket.
I love your jacket.
Have you been here before?
Have you been here before?
Another, this place is really nice.
This place is really nice.
Final one, what brings you here today?
What brings you here today?
Excellent. Now, let me give you one more important tip. Always smile and make eye contact.
Body language is important too.
Very important. Even if your English isn't perfect, a smile makes you friendly and approachable.
That makes sense. So smile, say something simple, and be friendly.
Exactly. You've got it, Kevin. Now, remember, the worst thing that can happen is that they don't respond much, and that's okay.
That's true. At least I tried.
Exactly. Most people are happy when someone starts a conversation. You're making their day more interesting.
I feel ready now for my next elevator ride.
Perfect. No more shoe staring.
No more.
Now, we have a question for our wonderful listeners.
Yes, we want to hear from you.
In the comments below, tell us what's the hardest part of starting conversations for you.
Yes, is it finding the words, feeling nervous, not knowing what topic to choose?
And try using one of the phrases we learned, like, I find it hard to start conversations because, or the hardest part for me is.
This is great practice for writing and for sharing. And remember, we read every comment.
We do, and we're here to support you.
So share your experience. We want to help.
Thank you so much for listening today, everyone.
We hope these conversation starters help you feel confident in any situation.
Encouraging. Remember, everyone feels nervous about starting conversations, but with practice, it gets easier.
So use these phrases, smile, and be friendly. You can do this.
Warm goodbye. Keep practicing, keep starting conversations, and keep making connections. See you in the next episode.
No more awkward silence. Keep talking, keep learning. Bye-bye.